Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi. Now recently I was contacted by Jules Burt, a fellow YouTuber, who said he had the ultimate project that he wanted to send my way, and it has just arrived. You can see here, this is the box. So I'm going to read out the message that I got from Jules about this, and then we'll open it up and you can see what's inside and see why it is such a sort of epic project, and one that so many people have asked me to cover in the past. So let me read you the message that Jules sent me. He says, "Dear Dave, please find enclosed the most epic of toy restorations, the British cardboard Death Star. This example has seen more action than the Battle of Endor. It'll take some time and skill to restore it to its former glory, but there is one person who completes such a task. It's you. Good luck with this project. I can't wait to see the results. My best, Jules." So I do want to say a massive thank you to Jules, because this is a project I have wanted to work on for a long time, and as I say, one that everybody has been asking me to sort of cover, but it's something I've never actually managed to find. I'm going to put a link to Jules's videos and channels in the description of this video, because please do go and check out his videos. They're really interesting. He's been unboxing his entire vintage childhood Star Wars toy collection and also many other things, so do check that out. But let's get straight on and we'll open this package and see what's inside it and see what needs doing and see how we can restore it. And here it is, sort of roughly put together, just so you can see the sort of the basic shape of the Palitoy Death Star. The reason I'm not going to put it fully together at the moment is because there is a lot of damage, and that is something that Jules did mention to me. If you take a look at this piece here, this is just one example, you can see that the cardboard is actually all ripped, it's sort of all coming apart. So if I was to put that together, the chances are I would cause a lot more damage. So the plan for me is going to be, how do I fix some of these sort of particular areas of damage and repair all the sort of bits that are like this. There's a few pieces that are fine, but then there is a lot that is sort of damaged, as you can see. If I just turn this around slightly, you can see at this bottom piece here, you can see that a lot of the surface is coming away, and where the two pieces fold, again, it is sort of torn, so that all needs to be reinforced and sort of rejoined together. But overall, the whole of the playset sort of is here. We do have the little trash compactor chute. There's a few of the clips that sort of clip these pieces together. You can see this is one of them. It comes in two pieces. I think think there should be 4 of these in total, and Jules has included 3, so I'm going to have to try and find one missing one. I know there is a place that you can get sort of reproduction ones 3D printed, so I might go and grab one of those and see what that's like. And then if we look at the top of the Death Star, just move my camera so you can see that. So this is the top section of the Death Star. There should be a clear plastic sort of cover that goes over this little gunner chair. It comes with 2 just X-Wing guns, and then this little sort of vacuum formed seating area, and there's a clear plastic vac formed piece that goes over the top, and that is also missing. So I'll have to try and work out some way of recreating that or making something that does the same job. That just sits in there and then rotates around. But overall, I think most of this Death Star can be saved. It's going to take quite a lot of work. It needs a lot of cleaning and a lot of little repairs doing to it. I've just turned this round so you can see the other side of it. I think most of this damage is sort of water damage that's happened over the years. The top surface of the cardboard is coming away, which has got the print on it. If we look at this bottom section here, you can see all of this is coming away, and there's a bit of mould and mildew staining, and yeah, it certainly has seen better days. But I do reckon that all of this can be fixed up with time. Clean the surfaces with some lighter fluid, and then we're going to have to re-glue all of this with some nice sort of acid-free glue, and anywhere where hinges and bits are broken, we'll try and reinforce those. It's going to be quite a project, but certainly something that I would look forward to do. I haven't ever worked on one of these. I've worked on sort of fixing and repairing old boxes, and this is essentially just a big old box. It's lots of bits of damage, and yeah, I reckon it can be saved. Before I start work on this, I think it's time for me to do quite a bit of research to try and see if there's any techniques that I need to learn to work out how to fix this. I've done a lot of repairs on boxes before, but I think there's some areas on this that will require some extra sort of bits of techniques and things that I don't quite know at the moment, so I'm going to do quite a lot of research on how I can get this fixed. Do need to say a massive thank you to Jules Burt. Please go and check out his YouTube channel, check out the videos he's doing, because they're all really interesting and a lot of Star Wars related stuff. I'll put a link in the description to his videos and his channel, and make sure to subscribe to toy-polloi and click the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video, because I'll be uploading these in the near future, I hope. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.